Managing payroll for a global workforce can be a complex and time consuming task, especially for businesses operating in multiple countries with varying compliance laws, tax regulations, and employment policies. Multiplier Payroll simplifies this process by offering a seamless, automated, and compliant global payroll solution. Whether you're a small startup expanding internationally or a large enterprise managing remote teams, Multiplier Payroll helps you streamline salary payments, benefits administration, tax compliance, and workforce management all within a single platform. This video provides a detailed walkthrough on how to use Multiplier Payroll effectively, highlighting its key features, benefits, and why it's an essential tool for businesses handling international payroll. So, for its key features and benefits, first is the automated global payroll processing. Multiplier automates payroll for employees and contractors across more than 150 countries. It calculates salaries, tax deductions, benefits, and statutory contributions in real time, ensuring accurate and timely payments. This saves time and minimizes human errors while ensuring employees receive their salaries on time, regardless of location. Another key feature is the built in compliance management. Navigating global payroll compliance can be challenging, with different tax laws, labor regulations, and employment benefits in each country. Multiplier automatically ensures compliance with local labor laws, reducing legal risks. Businesses can focus on expansion without worrying about violating foreign employment laws or facing penalties. Another key feature is the multi currency and cross border payments. The platform supports payroll processing in multiple currencies, allowing businesses to pay employees in their local currency. Exchange rates are managed in real time to avoid unexpected fluctuations. This eliminates the hassle of managing currency conversions and helps businesses provide a seamless payment experience for employees. Another key feature is the centralized employee benefits management. Multiplier enables businesses to provide region specific benefits such as health insurance, retirement plans, paid leave, and bonuses, ensuring compliance with local employment standards. This enhances employee satisfaction and retention by offering benefits that meet regional expectations. Another key feature is the contractor and freelancer payments. In addition to full time employees, Multiplier allows companies to onboard and pay freelancers, independent contractors, and gig workers in compliance with local tax and labor laws. This helps businesses easily manage remote and hybrid teams without the administrative burden of classifying and paying international contractors. Another key feature is the tax and social security deduction automation. The platform automatically calculates and withholds taxes, pension contributions, and social security payments based on each country's requirements. It also generates tax forms and payroll reports for easy tracking. This reduces the risk of tax filing errors and ensures businesses comply with global taxation laws effortlessly. So, why is multiplier payroll a great choice? Managing global payroll is no longer a headache when using multiplier payroll. The platform removes administrative complexities, ensures compliance, and automates critical payroll functions, allowing businesses to focus on growth rather than manual payroll tasks. One of its standout features is built in global compliance, which ensures businesses stay within local tax and employment regulations, reducing legal risks and penalties. Moreover, multi currency payments and automated tax deductions make payroll operations more efficient and cost effective. For businesses with distributed teams, contractors, and international employees, Multiplier provides an all in one solution for salary payments, benefits administration, and workforce compliance. So, whether you're a startup expanding into new markets or an established business looking to simplify payroll operations, Multiplier ensures you stay compliant, efficient, and competitive. So basically, multiplier payroll is a powerful solution for businesses looking to scale internationally without payroll complexities. Its automated payroll processing, tax compliance management, and multi currency payment features make it a top choice for organizations handling international payroll. With features covering every aspect of payroll management, businesses can pay employees and contractors accurately, offer region specific benefits, and remain compliant with international labor laws. Multiplier's integration capabilities with HR and accounting systems further enhance efficiency, making payroll processing seamless and hassle free. So, by adopting multiplier payroll, companies can reduce administrative burdens, ensure global workforce satisfaction, and focus on growing their business with confidence. So, if you're expanding internationally or managing remote teams, Multiplier is an essential tool to streamline your payroll operations effortlessly. So that's basically it for this video. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.